Yes, sure, I knew it would be scenic, but I didn't expect this. I walked 72 miles, from the Santa Cruz beach boardwalk to Cannery Row in Monterey. And not the short way, I took the long way, through farmlands, back roads, through towns like Watsonville, Castroville, and Salinas. I wasn't expecting much. Honestly, my experience with farming starts and ends at the Safeway produce aisle. But what I saw out here stopped me. The beauty, the contrast, and the sheer scale of it all. Crops arranged in rows so perfectly, it almost looks engineered. To my eyes, the brown earth tilled with near impossible precision. You look out and it feels endless. And then the people. Quiet, focused. A few glanced at me while I walked by with my camera. Maybe they were curious, maybe they were wary. I don't know, I didn't ask. I didn't want to impose or interrupt. Like most kids, I read The Grapes of Wrath and Of Mice and Men in middle school. And then, for good measure, we were forced to watch the movies. Purely under duress. It was strictly reading to pass a test. I wanted to walk through the Salinas Valley. I wanted to see the land that Steinbeck wrote about, and why it was such a big deal that it was taught to us in school. While out there, I felt the presence of my 15-year-old self struggling to make sense of my adult curiosity. And even if I could explain that this is who we've become, I'm telling you, it wouldn't have diminished his disappointment that at least we could have driven it. In the 1930s, thousands of migrants came here escaping the Dust Bowl, hoping for work, for food, for survival, and Steinbeck wrote about them. Obviously not to romanticize it, just to show it. I didn't set out to find stories, that's not my thing. What I did find was space, and silence, and beauty, which completely caught me off guard.